Hi there everyone. Today let's draw a cute little baby. Let's start by drawing a circle for the baby's face. Now we'll draw 2 dots for the baby's eyes. Next, we'll draw the baby's mouth. Follow along as I'm drawing. Two curved lines for the baby's hair. We'll draw 2 little ears. Now we've completed the baby's face. Isn't it cute? Now we'll draw the baby's body. Draw a curved line as I'm drawing and a straight line. Now draw 3 more little lines. Now join these 2 lines as I'm drawing. Those are the baby's hands. The baby is crawling on the floor. Next we'll draw the baby's legs. Now draw a line like this for the tummy and another curved line for the baby's leg. Now I'm using a marker to make these lines a little bit thicker, so it's going to look very good. See the difference? You can use a pencil at first, and once you completed the drawing, you can use a sketch pen or marker to make the lines thick. Next, we'll draw some designs on the baby's dress. I'm just drawing a few circles here and there. And that's it. Hope you like this drawing. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.